Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, molecules of element and the molecules of compound. Student, in the last video we have already discussed about the molecules, what is the molecule, what is the element, what is the compound. So student, in the case of elements, element made by the same type of atom. Yes? And after that, what is the atom? Atom is the unit of matter. Means all the things, solid, liquid, gas, each and everything made by the atom. But one problem is there. Atom become not occur freely in the nature. May or may not occur freely in the nature. Why may or may not? Some elements like a noble gas elements, their atom are occur freely in the nature. You know reason? Because such noble gas are chemically unreactive. They cannot participate in any chemical reaction. Clear? So, you know how the molecule become formed? When the same type of atom become joined together from the molecules, and after that different type of atom joined together from the compound. So here the one thing, the molecules of element. What is the molecules of element? Student, in the case of molecules of element, when same type of atom joined together, same type of atom elements become joined together, it forms the molecules of an element. See, the molecules of an element are formed by the combination of two or more atoms of the same element. Like see, H2, hydrogen. So what is the difference between H and H2? Both are the same, no? H here. Then what is the difference between H and H2? Hydrogen is the symbol of element. Hydrogen is the atom. This is the molecules. Because atom cannot occur freely in the nature. The question is, if anything become not occur freely in the nature, how we can use such type of things? So students see the hydrogen. So if you discuss about the gas, hydrogen gas means H2 gas, not hydrogen. Similarly, O2 means when O2, how it become O2 form? O2 formed by the O. When two oxygen atoms become joined together, it forms the oxygen gas, oxygen molecule. Similarly, Cl2, nitrogen, etc. is the chlorine gas, is the nitrogen gas. So because when anything molecule occur freely in the nature, but atom not occur freely in the nature. Atom free नहीं पाया जाता, molecule free पाया जाता है. That's why atom become joined together and form the molecules. So इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Is known as the molecules of elements. When the same type of atom join together, it forms the molecules of elements. Clear? Next one is the molecules of the compound. Student, compound also is the pure substance. Then what is the difference between molecules and compounds? Elements and compound. Element made by the same type of atom, but compound made by the different type of atom. But both are the pure substance. In the last video, we already discussed about the characteristics of the compound. So, what is the molecules of compound? When the atoms of two or more elements combine, they form a molecule of compound. क्या होता है? जब दो different type के atom आपस में join होते हैं, it form the molecules of compound. See, H2O is the water. What is the formula? H2O. What does it represent? It represents the two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom joined together. It forms the water molecules. CO2, one carbon and two oxygen. Become joined together. It forms the carbon dioxide. HCl, hydrochloric acid. One hydrogen, one chlorine joined together, it forms the hydrogen chloride. NaOH, one sodium, one oxygen, one hydrogen. It become joined together, it form the sodium hydroxide. But in the pure substance, because their ratio are fixed. Okay, student? So these are the molecules of a compound. Clear? Next one is what is the atomicity? What is the atomicity? Student, the number of atoms present in a molecule of an element is called atomicity. You know, student, molecules. Again, we discuss about the molecules because atom join together form the molecules. But question is, in some cases only the single atom present in the one molecules. In some cases, two atoms join together form the molecules. In some cases, three atoms join together form the molecules. In some cases, more than three atoms join together and form the molecules. Single molecules. This is known as atomicity. Means in one molecule, how many atoms are present? How many atoms are present is known as the atomicity. Clear? So according to the atoms which are present in the one molecules, it divided up into the four categories is the monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic. So first one is the mono. Mono means, already their name is clear, mono means single atom. Means the molecules which consist only single atom. Which consists the only single atom is known as the monoatomic molecules. Example, see, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are the monoatomic. But question is the monoatomic? You see their name, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. And you get any new property? All these gases are noble gas. We already discussed the noble gas. Noble gas means such noble gas are chemically unreactive. Clear? So the monoatomic means all the noble gas are the monoatomic. Second one is the diatomic. Di means two. What is the definition? Tell. When two atoms join together and form a molecules is known as the diatomic molecules. See, like nitrogen gas, oxygen O2, oxygen gas, Cl2 chlorine gas, Br2 bromine gas, I2 iodine. See, N2. What is the 2 represent? To क्या show कर रहा है? To show that means when two nitrogen atoms join together it form the one molecule of nitrogen. Similarly, oxygen O2, when two oxygen atoms join together it form the oxygen gas. Similarly, when two chlorine atoms join together it form the chlorine gas, and when two bromine join together it form the bromine, and when two iodine join together it form the iodine. These are diatomic. Next one is the triatomic. See, what is the triatomic? Triatomic means when three atoms join together and form a single molecule is known as the triatomic. Ozone gas. O3 means when three oxygen join together form the one ozone gas. Clear? And next one is the poly means more than three. More than three. See, like P4 is the phosphorus. Means when four phosphorus atoms join together, it forms the one molecules of phosphorus. What is the name? It is the tetraatomic. Tetraatomic. See, S8 means when 8 sulfur atom join together, it form a single molecule of sulfur. So what is the other their name is the how many atom? 8 atom. What is the name? Octatomic. But if the problem to be learned what is the tetraatomic or the octatomic, you rather are polyatomic. Means more than 3 atom is known as the polyatomic. Clear? So student, so the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.